Alright, what about this master lock? It's a 532. There's a key for it. Tricky enough lock for me anyway. Trying to get it picked. Didn't get that set, I don't think. We did there. Good false set there. Been here before, I fucked it up. There's that. Some set. I think. Or maybe. Don't know where it's in or not. All's right. It's in picked. I got this lock from a fella called Belfast 911. If you want, I'll leave a link in the description in the doodly do. Go and have a check at his channel. An absolute brilliant picker and a gentleman, a true picker, like no messing about at him. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.